This video is for those of you who are delaying Medicare past 65 and the form that you must know about once you do want to sign up for Medicare Part B called the CMS-40B form. If you kept working past 65 and you were covered by your company insurance plan, or maybe your spouse continued working and you were covered by his or her company insurance plan, and now Medicare is becoming a reality, you are coming up on a special election period. Losing group coverage qualifies you for a 63-day special election period window where you can pick up Medicare Parts A and B, more specifically Part B for this video, with no penalty. So let me show you what the CMS 40B application looks like and tips on how to fill it out. Here's what it looks like. First off, you will need your Medicare number in order to complete this form. You can find your Medicare number either by looking at your red, white, and blue Medicare card, or you can log into your My Social Security account online. The second field, we are going to check yes, because that is what this form is all about. The third field is your name. Remember to follow the order here, last name, then first name, then middle name. I would suggest using the same name or spelling that you have on your Social Security card or your Medicare card, or whatever appears on your My Social Security account. Field number 4 is your address, field 5 is the city, state, zip code for your address, and field 6 is the best phone number to reach you. I would suggest using the same phone number that you used for your My Social Security account. Field 7 is your signature, do not print, and then field 8 is the date that you signed. Now fields 9, 10, and 11 are reserved for those who can't sign for themselves. If that is the case, these are filled out by the witness who then signs for them. Now with most forms, the remarks section is just kind of an afterthought. Not the case here, it is important. In the remarks, you get to specify your desired effective date or start date of your Medicare Part B. So for example, if you're filling out this form 90 days before you need Medicare, as our channel name suggests, you can say, please make my Part B effective date and put the month, day, and year that you'd like it to start. Remember, Medicare effective dates are always the first of the month. So you would put the month that you want it to start, then the first day, and then the year. Once you have this finished, you send this into the Social Security Administration together with your CMS L564 form. What is the CMS L564 form? We have a video on that with a tutorial right over here, and I will see you over there.